Opposite words. Good.
Bad.
Weak.
Strong.
Happy.
Sad.
Fast.
Slow.
Tall.
Short.
Day.
Night.
Start.
Finish.
Empty.
Full.
Dark.
Light.
Old.
Young.
Give.
Take.
Far.
Near.
Hot.
Cold.
Less.
More.
Early.
Late.
Boy.
Girl.
Busy.
Hard.